need it. I don't need it. I need water. Water. Hey everyone, welcome to another segment of Kyle Explains a Lot of Things, and today's short segment is all about hydration. As a drummer, it is very important to stay hydrated. Now, I remember being young enough to remember, I'm talking as if I'm remembering when I was 3 years old or something. Well, no, back when I was like younger, 18, 17, 20 years old, around that neighborhood, I just did not care about drinking water. At some point when I was 16, I would just drink energy drinks and no water whatsoever. And how does this relate to drumming? Well, because it is cardio exercise, my friends. It is very important for you to stay hydrated, because then, if you don't drink enough water, you end up getting a headache. And if you're like me, you get a lot of headaches, and it's no fun. It really puts a stop on a lot of your plans. So, when you end up not drinking enough water, you end up having like an annoying headache. You end up just feeling a lack of energy, and then it causes a lot of health issues as well. They recommend about like 8 cups of water a day, 8 ounces. Now I shoot for 62 fluid ounces a day, and it's not always perfect. And if you drink coffee or any other tea or something that dehydrates you, like sugar for example, that will also, you'll need to drink more as well. And as you know, drinking alcohol, you should at least drink a glass of water with 1 beer. So if you have 4 beers, then you drink 4 glasses of water to compensate for that, because you're dehydrating yourself. You're making your body work a lot harder than what you need. Now, when I was younger, I just did not care, and then I discovered it's kind of one of those things. When you're younger, you see coffee as that adult drink. Man, I can't wait till I'm older. I get to drink coffee and all that stuff, and you just drink soda when you're a kid. And I remember waking up in the middle of the night and I was thirsty, and just drink a can of root beer. Ah, those were the days. And now it seems like my favorite beverage to drink is water. As crazy as that sounds, that's all I really drink. Sometimes I drink some lemonade, sometimes I drink some like fruit juice or orange juice, but water is really just my best friend in terms of when I work out and when I drum, especially when I'm drumming. I always try to stay hydrated during a gig. That's very important. But this is just a notice for you guys to stay hydrated, right? As a matter of fact, my throat feels a bit dry right now. I should be drinking a glass of water, but I'm busy filming right now. But, so let this be a reminder, no matter what you're doing in life, make sure you drink like 8 cups of water a day, right? For 8 ounces or 6 fluid ounces, like a bottle of water, should do you well. And try, I challenge you guys, if you're not drinking enough water, try sticking with 8 glasses of water a day. Try it for 2 weeks and see what happens and how it changes your life and how much more energy and how better you end up feeling. You know, write it down in your diary on how you end up feeling throughout the 2 weeks when you're drinking all this water. See what changes are different, and you'll notice a great change, and you'll be very thankful for that for sure. Well, anyway, that was it for today's short segment of Kyle Explains a Lot of Things. As always, if you like this, subscribe, because I'll have a lot more cooler content coming your way. And feel free to comment down below on how you feel after this challenge of drinking more water. I guarantee it's going to be really positive, and I can't wait to see that, my friends. Alright, till next time. It is cardio exercise. I need it! Water! Gazing into your eyes, running